How to draw Mrs. Retriever from Bluey, step by step. Hey everyone, how to draw Hub Crew. So for the first step, we're going to begin by making a circle for the eye almost in the center of the page. Nice job! Now in the center of the eye, we're going to begin to add in a black circle. This will be for the pupil of Mrs. Retriever. Now coming from the eye that we just made, we're going to make a big, long, backward C-like shape. This will be for the snout of Mrs. Retriever. Great job! Now inside of that empty space for the snout, we're going to add in a nose. The nose will have a triangle-like shape. Now directly above the nose that we just made, we're going to begin to make the right eye. This will look just like the first one. Inside, we will also add in a black circle. Now below the nose, we're going to begin to add in a mouth. Inside of the mouth we will have teeth by using squiggly lines. Fantastic! Next up, we're going to go right above those eyes that we previously made, and we're going to begin to add in eyebrows. Let's connect those two eyebrows that we just made with one line going from left to right. Now on the left side of the page, below the nose, we're going to begin to make the first arm and hand of Mrs. Retriever. If you enjoy watching step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this video, then I highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you up to date on the latest drawing tutorials every single day. Now to make the body, we're going to begin to make a long curved line that will connect the hand that we just made all the way over to the right eyebrow. Whoa, so far this is coming along very well. Now moving back to the left hand side of the page, we're going to begin to make the first ear of Mrs. Retriever up by the left eyebrow. Be sure to stick around until the end of the video so that we can color our drawing together. Now let's use a small line to connect the eyebrow to the ear that we just made. Now since we have an empty space between the ear and hand, we're going to begin to add in a line which will close off that empty space. Now since we have an ear on the left hand side, we also have to add in one on the right hand side. So let's go ahead and do that right now, although this one will look a little bit smaller. Now since a lot of dogs have a tail, just like Mrs. Retriever, we're going to add one in by her left hand. Now underneath of the body, we're going to have to draw two legs. We're going to start with the left leg. We're going to add in one horizontal line on the leg which will help separate the colors, along with two small curved lines on the bottom of the foot which will help create the toes. Now to the right, we're going to make an identical leg and foot. Now even further to the right, we're going to add in a small hand. Now last but not least, we're going to go over the body and add in lines which will help separate the colors. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. This is how to draw a Mrs. Retriever. Now stick around until the end of the video so that we can complete our drawing together. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.